welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to show you this easy, gorgeous crochet rubber band hairstyle. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watch. My hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, my rubber bands, and my hair clips to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair from ear to ear, just a straight line, exactly the way I'm doing. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take my scrunchie and secure the rest of the hair in the back away. That way I can only work with the front, sis, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take my rat tail comb, and then I'm going to start sectioning my hair. So just from the temple of my head, exactly the way I'm doing. And I'm just gonna section that into a slanting line, okay? So just exactly the way I'm doing. Take my shine and jam, apply it to the line, making sure it is really nice and clean and juicy, okay? All right, so once I'm done sectioning that line, I'm going to secure the rest of the hair away. So I'm just gonna section a little slanting line again. Take my shine and jam, apply it to the line, just to make sure it is really nice and clean. I'm just gonna pull out my baby hairs in the front right there. That way, you know, once we're done, we can be looking all the way cute, sleek, or whatever you want to call it, okay? And then I'm going to take my hair clip and secure the rest of the hair away. So I'm going to section the first section, okay? The first box, take my shine and jam, apply it to the line, making sure it is really nice and clean and juicy, okay? And then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair away using another hair clip. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the hair, making sure, you know, everything is really nice and sleek. And then I'm going to take my rubber band and secure that first section. So I'm going to be securing about 4 or 5 times until it is really nice and secure. And then I'm going to section the hair into 2, give it a little tug, not too tight that I'm about to give myself a headache or break my natural hairs. Take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the remaining of my natural hair, and then just twist it all the way down. So the reason why I twist it all the way down is because I want my hair to be really nice and sleek, because you know your girl got 4C hair. And once I do that, I'm going to work with the next box. So I'm just going to take my shine and jam, apply it to the little section right there, and then I'm going to section the hair into 2, taking the hair from the first section to the second section, and then using my rubber band to secure it. Okay, so I'm going to be securing about 4 or 5 times until it is really nice and secure. Very simple, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, okay? And then I'm going to section the hair into 2, give it a little tug. So I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to the remaining of my natural hair, and then just twist it all the way down. The second section, I'm gonna do the same exact technique, going into a little bit of a slanting, you know, line as well, okay? Take my shine and jam, apply it to the line just to make sure it is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to secure the rest of the hair away. That way, you know, it is not in the way at all, baby. When I tell you 2023, the rubber band hairstyles are going to be taking over. I'm going to section the first box, apply my shine and jam, making sure the line is really nice and clean. And then I'm going to secure the hair out of the way with the hair clip. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply to that little box right there, making sure it is really nice and clean and sleek. And then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure it. I'm securing with the rubber band about 4 or 5 times until myself, I feel it a little bit more snug, okay? Not way too tight that I'm about to give myself a headache or break my natural hairs. Very simple, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this, okay? But while we're still talking, sis, have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to each and every one of my subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I cannot believe we are here today. Oh my gosh, we are almost at 600,000 subscribers. What? Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. You guys already know you are the real MVPs. I am nothing without you, but thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing. While you're subscribing right now, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well, sis, because you don't want to miss out on all this juiciness, okay? You want to be the first person to know when I drop another juicy, okay? Anyway, you already know when my voice is this hyper, it means what? The style is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Anybody, even a beginner, once you learn how to do these rubber band styles, it's over for everybody. Because listen, you're just going to be looking cute every single day, period. Let me show you guys how to achieve this little spice up situation that I'm about to do on the top right here. So I'm going to section that middle part into two, and then I'm going to apply my shining gel, making sure the line is really nice and clean and juicy or whatever. And then I'm going to take my hair clip and secure one of the sections away, okay? Start by sectioning one box at a time, taking my shining gel, making sure the line is really clean, okay, nice and clean and juicy or whatever. And then I'm going to take my hair clip and secure the rest of the hair away. That way, you know, my hair is not in the way. This is actually very, very important because people are like, Tupo, how do you make sure the hair is not in the way, sis? Just make sure you get yourself some hair clips, and you know, once you're working, you are securing the hair away as you go. Take a little bit more of the shining gel, apply it to the remaining of my natural hair, and then twist it all the way down. I really want you guys to try these styles out, and once you try them, make sure you're tagging me on Instagram. Listen, once you take the pictures, you know, tag me on Instagram. I want to see how they come out. I want to see if you guys are loving them, but make sure you let me know in the comments. If you have a YouTube channel, let me know so I can come and check it out. I love when people recreate the styles that I do, so make sure you let me know, sis. Make sure you give me a shout out in your video so I can come and see. When you tag me, I am able to see the videos, and then I can come and, you know, see what you did, okay? So I'm going to section the second box, and then I'm going to take a little bit more of the shining gel, apply it to the hair, making sure, you know, everything is really nice and sleek. I'm just gonna take the hair from the first box, going into a crisscross manner in a zigzag form, exactly the way I'm doing, and then using my rubber band to secure it. And then I'm going to section the hair into two, giving it a little tug, and then taking a little bit more of the shining gel, applying it to the natural hair, and then twist it all the way down. Very, very easy. So I'm going to section the second box, take my shining gel, section the hair into two, taking the hair from the first section to the second section in a zigzag crisscross form, and then using my rubber band to secure it. Oh my gosh, how easy is that? Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell as well. Make sure you share these videos with your cousins, your besties, your mama, and your sis, because sharing is caring, okay? I am having way too much fun because you already know when I'm this hyper, it means what? It means the style is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Even if you have never tried any of my styles, this one right here, this one, sis. And then I'm going to use my rubber band to secure it. So until myself, I feel it a little bit more snug, okay? Not way too tight that I'm about to give myself a headache or break my natural hair system. I'm going to start working with the other side, so I'm going to do the same exact technique, sectioning the hair. So since the other side I have more hair, the first section is going to have 3 boxes. Section the box, take my shining gel, apply it to the hair, making sure the rest of the hair is out of the way using a hair clip. Once I secure the hair with the rubber band, I'm going to section the hair into 2, give it a little tug. That way it is nice and snug and it looks really nice and clean. That's the whole point, sis, okay? So on this side, sis, I have 5 sections. The first section has 3 boxes. The second has 3 boxes. The third section has 3 boxes. The fourth section has 2 boxes, and the last section has 1, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys the last one how I did. I did exactly the same way, taking my shining gel, apply it to the hair, making sure it is really nice and sleek, taking my rubber band and securing it 4 or 5 times, just making sure it is really nice and snug. And then sectioning the hair into 2, giving it a little tug, and then twisting it all the way down. So don't worry about the remaining of the hair from the section sticking out. We are just going to cornrow that all the way down with the remaining of the hair in the back. So I'm just gonna section out the hair exactly the way I'm doing. So don't worry about the cornrows in the back being messy. You don't even have to worry about those cornrows in the back. And I'll show you how, because I'm not even worried about the lines. I'm just gonna section exactly the way I'm doing. And then the last little section from the first boxes, I'm just going to take that and corner that down with the remaining of the hair in the back, sis. Okay, that's about it. And then once I corner it all the way down, I'm just gonna make sure I do the others as well. Don't worry about the sections being messy in the back, sis. Just make sure you corner that down. That's about it. Okay, look at me. I'm not even trying to make sure these corners are looking super clean, sleek, or whatever. All right, so I'm just gonna section the hair out, and then I'm going to take the remaining of the hair from the last section. I'm just going to corner that all the way down with the remaining of the hair in the back, exactly the way I'm doing. Very, very easy, sis. Very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. Oh my gosh, how many times am I gonna say this? Because it's true, sis. I mean, if you have never tried any of the styles, make sure you try this one. And if you do not know how to corner, make sure you check out my video. I have a tutorial on how you guys can learn how to corner. It's easy. Okay, and if you cannot really corner, you can do boxes in the back. So I'm going to be using this Lulutress 3X Goddess box braids, and this is in color number 1. It comes 24 in one pack, and I'm using 3 packs. So I'm going to be using my crochet needle, just a basic crochet needle. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna take my coconut oil and Jamaican black castor oil mixture. I'm going to make sure I moisturize the hair in the back because I don't want to put any oil in the front yet because it's gonna be a little messy. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the hair out of the pack exactly the way I'm doing. I'm just gonna take my crochet needle, place it in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and pull it out. So once I pull it out, make sure you go into the loop again, and then go all the way down to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. Very, very easy. This technique right here, it works on any crochet hair. If the loop is big, if it's small. This one right here is a medium size, so I didn't want to go in with my fingers, and that takes time too. So this is gonna save you time, money, and everything. Okay, make sure you master this technique right here because it is going to save you time, sis. Okay, anyways, I'm going to show you guys again. Place the crochet needle in, open the hook, take the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and pull it out. Go in the loop again, and then go all the way to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. And once you do that, it is nice and secure. You don't have to do too much. I'm going to show you guys again. So you're going to place the crochet needle, open the hook, take your crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then close it, pull it out. Make sure you go into the loop again, and then go all the way down to the corner of the crochet hair, place it on the hook, and then pull it out. So once you do that, you don't have to put your fingers in. Oh my gosh, this technique right here is very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. But let me pause this video real quick for you. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are new. If this is your first time seeing me, hey, hello, baby. My name is Tupo, okay? I love to do hair tutorials, natural hair. You can actually do these tutorials with a relaxed hair as well, but I'm gonna give you the goddess, the looks, the everything. You know, the braids, the rubber band hairstyles, the updos, the crochets. Every single thing, you're gonna find it on my channel. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And make sure I lay these baby hairs using the brush that I got from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And then I'm going to take my styling strips and make sure everything is nice and laid and secured and everything. And you already know I'm going to be using this Hottie silk scarf. Okay, you better make sure you check out our scarves. We have a whole lot of scarves. I will put the link in the description below. Make sure you support a sister. And baby, when I tell you this crochet rubber band hairstyle came all the way through. Yes, sis, I am living for this style right here. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot summer hairstyle or whatever. Because baby, at this point, I am feeling myself. I look good. I look good. I look like baby. Be the accessorizing queen without adding some accessories. So here we are. I'm just gonna add this gold accessories here, there on the braids, and baby, it took the style all the way to boom, 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 100. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying this hairstyle right here. Let me know if this is a summer style, okay? Let me know if this is a spring style, and let me know if you guys are going to be wearing this style to your next occasion, because I want you to. And make sure you're tagging me on Instagram, Tupo1, so I can see how you're looking, girl. If you are going to be recreating this look right here, let me know. Let me know if you guys want me to do the whole head of this kind of crochet so I can show you how it looks, because I love it. I think I'm gonna try it. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see that as well. And you already know I gotta give you another style, so I'm just gonna give you this little huff up kind of band situation. And baby, it took the style all the way to boop 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 100. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot style right here, and let me know if you guys love this goddess box braids. Okay, if you cannot braid by yourself, sis, you can actually do this. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for all the love. Make sure you're sharing these videos with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.